she's snoring now. She doesn't believe it.
But it's all day. And your fucking face. Let's see when you see this. I would just because. It's so loud.
Lizzie, I love you. It's the only reason why I do this.
Sure.